Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very different fish curry recipe. It's tandoori fish curry. This is a tried and tested recipe and my family loves it a lot. Let me share it with you all. Come on. I have cut, cleaned and patted dry the pomfret into desired size pieces. This is store-bought tandoori masala and it already has everything added to it including salt, so I'm not adding anything to the fish marination. Look at how vibrant the masala is. We will apply the masala evenly and then allow to marinate for 15 minutes. You can use any tandoori masala you like. No need to add any color. Keep it aside. We will make a masala paste for the curry and this preparation calls for a bit more oil than we usually use. I have seen that red onions have more flavor, but you can use any that is easily available. Cook until translucent. I'm adding whole pieces of ginger and garlic because I'm going to blend these later. Tomato paste works best, so use that if possible. We will cook these until the raw flavor goes off. Cashews are used to thicken the gravy and we will cook these also until the oil separates. Allow to cool and blend with some water. Now let's go ahead and make the curry. Butter will enhance the taste and texture of the curry. Don't skip it. I have finely chopped the chilies and will cook them for the flavor to get into the butter. The detailed recipe with the exact measurements is in the description box below. This is the masala paste that we made earlier and we will cook the paste for the flavors to blend. These flavoring ingredients will give the curry a nice rich flavor. This is my homemade garam masala and I'll show you the recipe soon. Just mix well and we will have to cook this further. Now don't get overwhelmed with the steps. Once you start making this curry and you have everything ready, it gets done very quickly. Now we will add hot water as per consistency desired for the curry. We will bring this to a boil and allow to cook. And in the meanwhile, we will fry the fish on the side. Place the marinated fish in a single layer and just sear both sides on medium-high heat. The curry is cooked and we will slowly drop the seared fish pieces into the curry. We just need the fish to cook through and this won't take much time. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such amazing recipes I post every week. This looks so tempting, right? Be careful, the fish is very delicate, so mix lightly and allow to heat through. Wow, look at the color. Now this is kasuri methi and I'll crush it before adding to the curry. This gives the authentic restaurant style taste. Now's the best part. Switch off the flame and I had kept a coal to heat on the side. Place this in a small bowl, add some oil, cover and leave it until all the smoke is gone. I must tell you that this is one of the best fish curries you will make. The aroma, flavor, texture and color are just perfect. Garnish and we are ready to serve this stunning fish curry. Hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye.